We know how to add 3 plus 2 and get 5. They're all positive numbers. There's no plus in front of the 3 or the 5, but we know they're positive. If we think of the plus 3 as 3 pluses and the plus 2 as 2 pluses, we might be able to see what's happening. So we've got 3 pluses and another 2 pluses, and that makes a total of 5 pluses. Now if we apply this to negative numbers, if I had minus 3 minus 4, and I thought of that as 3 minuses and 4 minuses, I'd have a total of 7 minuses. Note when I'm adding and the signs are the same, I'm getting more of the same sign. So let's take another example. If I had minus 2 and minus 6, thinking of that as 2 minuses and 6 minuses. Now I've got a total of 8 minuses, so the answer is
minus 8.
I'm adding on to the number of minuses that I have here. So when we're adding signs that are the same, we keep that sign and we add. 1 minus 1 equals 0. If we think of the 1, because it's no sign in front of it, as being plus 1, and the minus 1 is 1 minus, we've got the same number of pluses as minuses, therefore they cancel out and give me 0. 2 minus 2 means we've got 2 pluses and the minus 2 is 2 minuses. Pairing up the pluses and the minuses, we've got a plus and a minus giving me 0, a plus and a minus giving me 0, so that's a total answer of 0. This time we have minus 4 and plus 3. So that's 4 minuses and 3 pluses. Pairing up our pluses and minuses, we're left with a surplus of minuses. We've got 1 minus over, so the answer is minus 1. Minus 3 plus 5, so we have 3 minuses and 5 pluses. This time, when we pair up the pluses and minuses, we've got extra pluses. We've got 2 extra pluses, so the answer is plus 2. And remember, I can write that simply as 2. Pause the video and see if you can work out what the answer to this is. Did you work out that there were 6 pluses and minuses that cancel together to give me 0? That's like saying plus 6 minus 6 is 0. And I have a surplus of 2 pluses, so the answer is 2. Pause the video and see if you can work out the answer. Pairing up, we've got 2 pluses and 2 minuses, so that's plus 2 minus 2 is 0, and we've got a surplus of 5 minuses, so the answer is minus 5.